Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the ultimate Barbie beach summer look in Dress to Impress. So we're talking about fabulous flowers, sun-kissed skin, and the perfect accessories. So now let's just get started to transform into a beachside doll. Now let's start with the hair that I use for the look. So I'm using this updo combined with this hair from the Petal Updates, and I'm using the back options with no flowers on it. Next, I'm going to just go to the dressing room in here and go to the code items tab. Put on this dress here, toggle it into top only. Use the color that you prefer. So for me, I'm going to use this blue color combined with this soft pink color. Then I'm going to also use the eyelashes. And let's go to the currency item tab and this shoe. You can choose the color that you prefer. So I'm going to combine between the soft pink color and blue like this. Then I'm going to use the accessory from the Valentine update, this bracelet in here. Choose the color that you prefer. And I'm going to also wear this necklace in white color. Once you're done in here, you can go out and put some other accessory. Here I'm going to use these earrings. Change the color to the soft pink color. And let's go to the main area. Here put on this swimsuit and change the color to the color that you prefer. I'm going to the blue color combined with white. It into soft pink color for the bow and the accent. On this top in here and grab this bag. For the top, I'm going to put it into unheld. You can change the color of the bag or not. And let's put on the flower on here. Use type 2 and change the color like this. Now I'm going to grab this glasses, toggle it into above head in soft pink color. Then I'm going to put this one in here, so in a blue color. And then you can also go back to the dressing room and put on this dress, but toggle it in the skirt. And I'm going to use the color to blue and this. So this will be the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.